Hey everybody. Today I'm going to work on one of the portions of the journaling asset number 7. These three are I will be recasting my narratives for each of these particular days. And with this I did my original thought, and then I recast the original thought as something cryptic or so. We have one for thoughts of the day in disguise, one for if today was an omen, and the other was an alternate universe. So I'm gonna add it to my journal, my creative journal, and I will set it in my book and try to decorate a little something something. Well, this is just a little something to just give it a little pop of texture and color. So that is all, and I'll see you on the flip side.